Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever wondered what's living right on your hands, even after washing them squeaky clean? Don't worry, it's not scary. In fact, it's amazing. There's an entire hidden world all around us, full of tiny living things we can't even see. They're called microorganisms, or microbes for short. And today, we're going on a magical adventure to meet them. Ready to shrink down with me? Let's go. Wow, look around. Everything here looks like a glowing, colorful universe made of water drops and sparkles. This is the micro world, where millions of microorganisms live, eat, move, and help our planet every single day. Long ago, a scientist named Antonië van Leeuwenhoek peered through a microscope and saw something no one had ever seen before. Little wiggly creatures dancing in a drop of water. That's how we discovered this secret world. There are many kinds of microorganisms, and each one has a special job. Let's meet them one by one. Bacteria. Some bacteria are super helpful. They help make curd, cheese, and even medicine. Inside your tummy, good bacteria help you digest your food and keep you healthy. But, there are also bad bacteria that can make you sick. That's why washing your hands and eating clean food is so important. Think of bacteria like this. Some are tiny heroes, and some are tiny troublemakers. Fungi. Next up, the cleanup crew of nature. Fungi love to eat dead leaves, fallen trees, and old food scraps. They break them down into healthy soil. Without fungi, our planet would be piled high with waste. And guess what? Some fungi are bakers too. They help make soft, fluffy bread by creating bubbles in the dough. Isn't that cool? Protozoa. Now let's meet the water dancers. Protozoa are tiny, one-celled creatures that live in ponds, puddles, and even in water droplets. They swim, twirl, chase food around like playful swimmers at a pool party. Some even help clean water by eating tiny bits of waste. Go, protozoa, go. Algae. And here come the green artists. Algae are the microorganisms that give ponds and oceans their beautiful green color. They use sunlight to make their own food, just like plants. But here's the best part. They also make oxygen underwater, so fish and sea creatures can breathe. They're basically the lungs of the water world. Microorganisms might be tiny, but they do big things. They help farmers by making soil rich and fertile. They help turn waste into compost. And they live inside your body, helping you stay strong and healthy. They even help make yummy foods, like curd, cheese, pickles, and bread. Oh, and you won't believe this. Scientists even use microorganisms in space. Yes, astronauts rely on them to recycle air and waste inside space stations. So, microbes are working hard, even among the stars. But remember, kids, not all microorganisms are good ones. Some can cause diseases, like a cold or stomach infection. That's why keeping yourself clean is super important. Wash your hands, cook your food well, and stay safe. When you do that, you're helping the good microbes win the battle. Okay, time for some mind-blowing micro-facts. Did you know a single teaspoon of soil has more microorganisms than all the people on Earth? And some bacteria can glow in the dark, just like fireflies. How magical is that? So next time you look at a drop of water or eat a piece of bread, remember, there's a whole invisible world helping you every single day. They may be tiny, but they're true heroes of our planet. Thanks for joining me on this tiny adventure through the world of microorganisms. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe to Brainy Kids for more science journeys. Thank you.